Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. What is the distance between God and man? That's easy to find out. Take a piece of paper, write God on top of the paper, list all your unfulfilled desires, write your name at the end of the paper. Now you know the distance between you and God. If I get rid of my desires, can I see God then? Mind is like a river. When you have a single goal of merging your mind with the ocean of divine force, then like tributaries, you get resources and people coming and joining hands with you to help you achieve that goal. What does God want? If there is one force that does not want anything, it is God, the Almighty Force. It is plenum, inexhaustible source of energy. It has everything that it needs. Does it mean God doesn't want our prayers? No, God doesn't want your prayers. You pray because you have unfulfilled desires. You pray because you want to see God. What happens if I have unfulfilled desires? Like distributaries for a river, your mind will drain its resources going in all kinds of various directions. You will never reach the ocean of divine force. What happens if I die without fulfilling all my desires? You will become a ghost. You will attach yourself to a like-minded person, usually your son or daughter, and you will interfere with their life. You will transfer all your unfulfilled desires to them. Then only you will achieve salvation. That sounds bad for my children. Yes, it is bad for your children in most cases. Why should your unfulfilled desires interfere with their journey of consciousness and purpose of their life? Is it possible to live without desires? Yes, it is indeed possible. How can I do that? List your desires. Take each desire. Ask yourself, will it cause hurt for you or others now or in the future, physically or mentally? If it will, then superimpose them with a divine, non-hurting thought of yours, such as seeing God. If it is not going to hurt, then plan and achieve the desire. Is it easy to get rid of desires? It is not easy in the beginning. With the regular practice, it gets easy. Is it not enough if I get rid of my unfulfilled desires only once? The problem is, your list of desires keep growing. Tomorrow, you will add a new set of desires to your list of unfulfilled desires. It will never end. Therefore, you need to moralize your desires on a regular basis. Is there a system that I can learn? Our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vethathiri Maharishi has systematized and gifted a beautiful system with which you can learn to meditate and moralize your desires. Contact a nearby Sky Yoga Center. Can I really see God in my lifetime? Sure, anyone can. Meditate, introspect, practice inner travel, get rid of your desires. You can see God. Where can I find God? The other end of your mind is Almighty Consciousness. The only way to reach the other end of your mind is to systematically reduce the frequency of your mind. Thereby, it reaches a still state. And this is possible only when you sit in silence, listen to your mind, reduce the mental frequency systematically, get rid of unwanted desires and unnecessary thoughts from your system, and that is the only way to reach the stillness, the bliss. You cannot see God through your sensory organs. He has no shape or form or color or taste or sound or light. The Almighty Force operates in a very subtle frequency. Only when your mind reaches that subtle frequency, you can perceive God. Such a system is our simplified Kundalini Yoga system. Thank you. Be blessed. Be blessed by the Divine.